Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today we are going to take a look at least about over 10 Cydia tweaks, and I'm gonna go really fast through these Cydia tweaks and a couple themes in there too. But now before we start this video, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. And the reason I have to go really fast through this video because I don't want to take too much time from you guys, and also I want to show you guys all the Cydia tweaks that I installed on my device in the last couple of days, and they work perfect, and in my opinion they must have Cydia tweaks for your jailbroken device. And let's get this videos and let me show you guys. So like always, we're gonna go into the Cydia, and once we go to Cydia, what you can do, you can go to search bar and search for these Cydia tweaks. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go into the install recent, and the first Cydia tweak that we are going to talk about is this one right here. It's BigBang short emoji 2 right here. As you guys can see, this is the name. And now once you download this, let's look at the description of this tweak right here. This is a bundle tweak of a short emoji 2 and BigBang short emoji 2, and then it lets you use BigBang EV and BigBang X in short emoji 2, and the shortcuts tab to bang text in the input text view, long press to bang text in the paste board. And as you guys can see, there's an image right here. You guys can see you have the new button next to the globe button on your keyboard, and you just like this right here. And if you press and hold, you have this pop up like this, and then from there you can perform action. And just want to mention this, that it's version 1.1, and also it was updated on May 22nd 2021, which is today. And also it's free to download and free to use, and also it is comparable with the iOS version 13.14.5. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this out. It'll give you a little bit extra option for your keyboard. Now the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is shortcut. So when you download this BigBang, with that you're gonna automatically download the short emoji 2, and as you guys can see right there, the short emoji 2. And for some reason, if it don't get download automatically with the other tweak, what you can do, you can just separately search for this tweak right here, short emoji 2, and you will find it, and you can download separately. And as you guys can see right here, your iOS version is supported, and as you guys can see right here, there's a description that you can read through, and it'll tell you how to set it up and what all the options you have available to you once you download this tweak. And there's so much you can do, as you guys can see right here. And also if we click right there, the screenshot, and this is your welcome screen when you download this short emojis. And then you got this option right here. This is the setting page, and there's so many settings that you can choose from. And then you got the screenshot of keyboard right here. As you guys can see, there's so much you can apply to your keyboard with this tweak, and it's really awesome. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. And now the next one we are going to take a look at is the tweak setting right here, as you guys can see right there. And now this this tweak right here, basically what this does is, let me go down to the description right here. As we can see, Taurine warning. I have received reports of setting not properly updating, and it in some cases setting have been completely erased while using tweak setting and with the Taurine jailbreak. So if you are using Taurine jailbreak and you're using the Cydia and you're having the problem with the any tweak, that once you download the tweak and you open, you don't see the any setting, or you see just a blank page. So this tweak going to fix that. And also there's one important thing that I'm going to show you guys, and let's look through this description and then I'll show you guys. And tweak setting, as you guys can see right here, a decisive app for loading tweak performance, and then you got the current features, load and edit tweak, search, install tweak, and you can do all of this once you download this tweak. So all you have to do, search for tweak setting and download it. And once you download this, go to your Springboard, and as you guys can see right here, this is the app next to the Alt Store. This is the app. You will get the app on your Springboard, and once you open it, as you guys can see, you have all the tweaks and themes that you install. It's right here in that one app. And then you have the search bar right on the top, and if you tap on it, you have the access to the keyboard, and then you can actually search for the tweak, specific tweak, if you don't want to scroll down or anything. So, and also the main thing is that if you have an issue with any tweak that is not, showing you the setting page, or it's like completely disappear, once you download the tweak setting application, the tweak, and you have the app on your Springboard, and here everything will work just fine without any issue or anything. And now that's been said, and we're going to go into Cydia, and then we're going to take a look at the next Cydia tweak, which is right here, Window. And this tweak, basically, once you download this, as you guys can see the description right here, motion and the terminate CPU processing, and then you got the description right here, and then the future motion CPU used for apps, and the dimension, and then configuration CPU percentage, and the internal for each process. And this package tested to be working on iOS 14.3, might or might not work on other iOS versions. So I mean, if you're jailbroken using the Unc0ver, Taurine, Odyssey, or Taurine Jailbreak, this package will work on your device as far you're jailbroken on iOS 14.3. So I guess the developer didn't have the way to test on all the other iOS versions, but you can install it and see if it works. If it works, that's good. If it doesn't work, then you can just uninstall it and wait for the next update. And now the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the this one right here. As you guys can see, this is basically a theme. This one gave you the Apple Respring, and it gave you the Unc0ver. As you guys can see, the Unc0ver Respring. So when you respring your device, if you have this installed and able through the snowboard, then you can, every time you respring your device, you will get the Unc0ver Respring logo. And I'm going to show you guys, as you guys can see right here, Unc0ver Respring, Unc0ver Respring logo, snowboard, and snowboard Respring. So these are the two tweak you need to install for able to this to work. So basically you need to download the snowboard and snowboard respring, and then you as you guys can see right here, read through this and it will tell you what all you need and how to make it work. And then you got the screenshot, as you guys can see right here, and I'm going to show you guys on my device. So what I'm going to do, once you download this, all you have to do, go into your setting and go to your tweak section and scroll all the way to, down till you see snowboard right here, and go to select theme. And as we can see right here, this is the Unc0ver Respring. So it's gonna be like this. So it's gonna be in the bottom right here. All you have to do is hit able, and it will move up. As you guys can see right now, it's on top. And all you have to do, apply reorder. There you go. And then once that happens, and then all you want to do is respring your device and make sure it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into GoodMorning. No, this one doesn't have the respring option, so let's do PhotoDock. So we need to find a tweak that have a respring option. So let's do this one right here. I'm sure this one have it. So as you guys can see right there. So if I do respring, and as you guys can see right here, you got the Unc0ver logo, and it's like jailbreaking. So you know, this is really awesome, really cool theme for your respring option, and that's how you make it work. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into Cydia, and we're gonna take a look at the next Cydia tweak. And next one going to be a GoodMorning, as you guys can see right here. So your iOS version is supported, so the tweak called GoodMorning, and as you guys can see, this tweak will run the command if your device wake up after been IDL ED for specific duration since last lock. So if we click on the screenshot, you don't have the screenshot, but the description basically explain everything to you. And then once you download this, let me show you guys the setting for this. So all you have to do, go into your once you download this, go to your setting application, and then actually this is setting, and then go to your tweaks, and we're gonna look for GoodMorning. As you guys can see right here, this is the tweak. Once you open up, this is the interface, and there's you know, a lot of option to configure from. So as you guys can see, each option explain what this option do, and just read through and enable and disable, and then also disable during Pacific time, so you can put your time right here from to, and it will disable you know, all the and also as you guys can see, wait for unlock, and then you can do timeout. So you can put, you know, there's option to configure from, and you can you know, choose whatever the option you would like to choose from, and then go from there. And then all you have to do, respring your device, and it will take effect. Now if we go back into the Cydia, then the next Cydia tweak we are going to talk about, it is a PhotoDock, as you guys can see right here. And PhotoDock is basically change your dock background to a photo of your choice. So that's basically it does, and all you have to do, download a PhotoDock, and once you download this, go into your setting, go to your you know, tweak section, and scroll down to, you see PhotoDock is this one right here, and you open this up. And as you guys can see, the first option is to enable it, and then next option is to choose image. Now it will take you to your photo library, and from there you can choose any photo you like. And as you guys can see, I do have one photo picked, and it's already working on it. And let me show you guys a few more options. And then you can do the able blur, and I keep it off. And if you turn the able blur on, then you got the auto, dark, and light, and then you have the grabber, how much blur you like with this grabber right here. And then you got the able custom dock radius, and then you got the this grabber right here, and then you can do from here. And then once you pick your settings, and once you think you like whatever you pick, and then all you have to do is respring your device and go back into your go to your main screen. And as you guys can see right here, we got the custom image on our background of your dock, as you guys can see right there. If I go back into the setting, and if I do this right here, go back, as you guys can see right there, now it's different look. And if I do like this all the way, and as you guys can see, now your dock look like that. So this is basically really awesome, really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this if you like to customize background of your dock. And also, I just want to mention that I'm going to put all these tweaks in the description below, so you guys can easily get it. And if you guys still have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys. And now the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the ReachPlayer, this one right here. And what this tweak does, once you download this, now playing info in reachability window. So this is really awesome tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this. And if you once you download ReachPlayer, and then all you want to do is go into your music application, whatever the music you're using. So if I swipe down from the dock, and as you guys can see, there's nothing in reachability. And now let's go back, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the YouTube, and I'm going to open the YouTube. I'm going to go into my videos. As you guys can see, these are my videos. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the first video. As you guys can see, it's playing now. So if I exit, swipe down, and as you guys can see, we got the now playing in our reachability. So from here, you can do a skip, you can play, you can pause, and then you can go forward. As you guys can see, you got the thumbnail of the song, of the video, and then you got the the title is scrolling right there. I think it's really awesome now playing in reachability, so you don't have to do anything else. Just swipe down from your dock, and you have the access to your reachability. Now playing in your reachability options. So this is really awesome, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one, the next Cydia tweak we are going to talk about is this one right here, AppHider. Make app hide from your Springboard. So as you guys can see right here, hide your apps from a Springboard. So this is really simple, really easy tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out, because if you guys think that you have a lot of people that just pick up your phone and start using it, so you can actually hide anything from your Springboard with that. So once you download that, and you will have this right here application on your Springboard. It says Hider. So it's a green icon with A in it. And once you download this, just open this up, and as you guys can see right here, this is the interface for this. There is not much, but how to use this, as you guys can see, hidden app list is empty. Click plus to add. So if we click on the plus sign on the top right corner, and that will bring up all the application that is installed on your device. So let's say we don't want anybody to get into our let's say messenger application right here. So what do? You click on it, and as you guys can see, it show up right here. So now what you have to do is respring your device, and once we respring once the device come back, I'll show you guys that we won't be able to see a messenger on our device. So if I go into my library, go to let's say social media right here folder, and as you guys can see, there is no messenger application right here, so you don't see that. And you can hide anything basically. And also really good thing, you can actually hide everything related to jailbreak, and it's really easy, really simple. And if you don't want anybody to know that you're jailbroken, for some reason, so you can hide anything from your springboard. As you guys can see, you don't see any the application called messenger, so that's been hidden from your springboard. But if you wanna bring it back, all you have to do, go right here, go to the same application, and then go in here and edit and hit this and delete. And now, as you guys can see, you got the message right here. Hit done, and then all you have to do, respring again. And once you respring, your device come back. As you guys can see right there, it is going to be right here. It showed up right here. So just like that, it's really, every time you hide or unhide any application, and I don't want you guys to freak out that what happened to my application. You have to respring for that to take effect. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. And now we're gonna go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna take a look at the next Cydia tweak. And the next one going to be bring back the texture. And if you guys can see right here, bring back the texture. Now what this tweak does is basically there's a description right here, a little tweak that brings back the background texture that was removed from the Notes app in the iOS 14. So basically that's what it does. Really simple, really easy. And also there's no option to configure from. You don't have to do anything except just downloading bring back the texture. And what it will bring the old texture to your notebook, the Note app, and that was removed in iOS 14. Simple as that. So just download that and check that out. If you miss that texture on your Note app, you guys gonna love this tweak. And then next one is going to be MagSafe Controller. Now what this does is basically MagSafe Controller, and what this does is customize and navigate MagSafe charging view. So with this you can change anything according to your MagSafe, and the look and the colors and everything you like about changing. And so it's not, so that way you're not stuck with the stock color and look. So let me show you guys. If I take off from my phone, from my charging dock, and if I put it back on, as you guys can see right here, we got the nice animation. And then you got the I put it to yellow color, but you can change to any color you like. And now the next one we are going to take a look at is the theme. This one right here is called Cake. And now the Cake is basically really nice theme, and it covers over 100 icons, as you guys can see right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this to my icons, and you guys can see. So once you download this, go into your setting, go to your tweak section, and then go to the snowboard. and select theme. And what are we going to do? Right now I'm using this one right here. We're going to disable this. Then we're going to enable the cake. Enable it and then apply the change. And once you apply it, as you guys can see right now, my icons looks like that, and it's really awesome theme for your springboard, as you guys can see right here. And I like it, and it goes perfect with your dark background, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And now we're gonna go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna take a look at the now the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is this one right here. Brightness event 12. So basically, as you guys can see right there, brightness events 12, and with this you guys can read through this description right here, and it tell you this update build RWP and dim into the setting page. A12 user will need to use the dim package on my repo as original version 1.5.2 is not updated for ARM64. So you have to read this description and before you install it. That's what I recommend. And we can go into the screenshot, and I don't think the screenshot is, for some reason, it's not loading up, so I can't show you guys. But once you guys download, you guys can install it and just check it out yourself. Now the next one, this is going to be installed with this brightness. It's called a dim right here. So you guys will gonna need this for able to for that to work. Now the next one is going to be AutoTouchUnlock. As you guys can see right there, this is the tweak, AutoTouchUnlock, and basically it's really simple forward tweak, and auto unlock into home screen after automatically authorization on Touch ID device. If there is a notification, media control, etc., see tweak setting page on your lock screen after authorization. Simply reset your figure on Touch ID to go to home screen. Supports iOS 13 and above. So basically, now let me show you guys. If I go ahead and lock my device, and if I tab on my device, just like that, you don't have to swipe, you don't have to do anything. It will directly take you to the home screen. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And now we're going to go back into the Cydia, and we're going to take a look at the next one. And the next Cydia tweak is going to be BioProtectXS for iOS 12 and 14. And once you download this one, go into your setting and go to your tweak section, and we're going to go and find that tweak. And as you guys can see right here, it's called BioProtect XS, and as you guys can see, you guys saw that. Let me open it again. Go into tweak and go into BioProtect. As you guys can see, you get the Face ID to unlock it. And as we can see right here, the first option is to global setting. You can enable that, and anything you open on your phone, it will ask you for Face ID, and visible on arrays, and then you got the visible on success, and then you got the reminder unlock section, and then trust Wi-Fi network, and then you got the face ID and password, and then you got the password option, and then you got the application. So this is what we're looking for right here. Application, the folder, setting panel, control center item, cellular ID protection, and power of the protection. Then you got the SIM unlock protection, and then you got the app switcher, then you got the Cydia access, and then you can icon arrangement protection. So you just flip the switch for these, but then you got the photo library, force protection, and then you got this application. This tweak basically have so much option to configure from. You can unlock, you can lock anything on your device. So for example, let me give you guys idea. So if we go into the application right here, you got the access to all the application on your device. You can lock those applications just like this, and as you guys can see right here, I have locked the camera, I have locked the contact, Decode, Facebook, FaceTime, and the Instagram. So all these applications I have locked. But now, as you guys can see, if I go into my, let's pick one of the, so this is my Decode right here. You guys saw it was able for this. If I click on it, as you guys can see, it kind of opened up. Now, why? Because in the setting page it's able, but if I go into my control center right here, as you guys can see right there, this is the icon on your control centers, and it's off. If I click on it, as you guys can see, now it's light up and it's red. And now if I go back into the Decode application, if I open it, as you guys can see right there, you got really nice animation. If I put my, let me do this. So let's open it again. So right now it's looking for the face, and I have my camera sitting in front of me, so it won't detect, but it's really awesome. You can lock any application, and this is the Facebook right here, as you guys can see, same thing. Then you got the let's see, FaceTime, as you guys can see right there. So just like that, you can lock anything. And then we're gonna go back into the setting and tweaks, and then we're gonna go and take a look at the next option. So let me disable this because I don't want that to so you can disable from your control center. So as you guys can see right now, it's asking me to so let me do this, and then just give me one quick second, guys. Okay, so there you go. So now we are back into the tweak, and we're gonna go into, let's say, the folder. So as we can see, all the folders that are on my device right here are gonna show up under the folder, and then you can enable and disable for each folder that you want to lock. You don't have to lock one by one. You can create a create a folder and put all the application that you want to lock, and then you can come into the this tweak and lock that folder, so that way everything is locked under that folder. Then next option is a setting panel right here, and then from here you can anything on your setting page you can lock from here. As you guys can see right here, the first one is the tweak, then you got the apps, system apps. So anything on your device, on your setting page, you can lock. Next one is we got the control center items. If we click on it, as you guys can see right here, you have access to everything in the control center, and you can lock and unlock just from here. It's really, really awesome, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this tweak out. And if you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And that's been said, and we're gonna jump back into the Cydia tweak, Cydia, and we're gonna open up the Cydia and take a look at the next Cydia tweak if there's any left. I think that's all for this video, and just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you guys have any question and concern. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.